Boom, boom, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J, and today we're gonna be checking out WarPips gameplay too, man. Yeah, I previously did a live stream on this one, but I think the quality of the microphone wasn't good, so I think I should do it over, explain it even more in depth in this video. You know what I'm saying? We're 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you're a first time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It is much appreciated, man. Word up. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J underscore dash under X. Word. Yeah, man. And also on Twitter, dash under X underscore Jamaican J4. Anyway, man, forget all about that right now. Let us concentrate on this game right here, man. This game is an indie game, and it's a fun little game, man. It's very strategic. So let's go hardcore. So hardcore, once you die, that's it, man. It's over. You gotta start from the beginning all over again. So, you know what? Let me turn my phone off just in case it rings. Alright, so we could name the army, like I stated in the previous video, or live stream. Alright, let me put my name, man. That thing sounds like gunshots. Jay's Rebellion. Yeah, Jay's Rebellion. Alright, let's I like the lion, man. The lion. Alright, let's go. So yeah, so you could only attack adjacent countries, or whatever you want to call them. The ones with the mark on them. So each one gives you, this is the resource you get from each. On this bottom screen, they show you the resource you get from each country. So if I tap on this one, it shows you I get this resource. If I tap on this one, it shows I get this resource. I get the dog and the rifle soldier with a grenade launcher. You get the kamikaze drones, and you also get the dogs. And as you could see, you get the heavy machine gunner, you get the sandbags, and also the poison gas, tear gas they say, but it tear gas. So each one of them gives you something different, and this is your aim. Your aim is here. We got to get to here, but we got to pass through all these places to get to here. And once you die, you got to start all the way back. Only because I'm playing on hardcore. Okay? Alright. So this is what you're going to be up against also. On the top part, it shows you what you're going to be up against. So I'm going to be up against, let me see, well-trained, medium-range soldier, whatever, that delivery truck, shotgunner, and they got a hero, whatever, what that is. It's supposed to be like a superior fighter or whatever. So on the top right is the enemies you're gonna face. On the bottom is the resource you're gonna get. Well, now that I explained that, before each battle you gotta go to loadout. This is my loadout. So I could put if you tap on them, it tells you what these guys are. Essential rifle, the backbone of your army, blah blah blah. You could read so on and so on. So this is like your loadout. So this guy is a tactician. So they call him like air support. And these are your defenses. So you could use small turrets. You know what I'm saying? And you could use barbed wires. Okay, so we got barbed wire. So these are your defenses you could use, and these are your soldiers. Okay, so you got to do this before you even start. And then you could see the deploy button right here. So I'll explain more as I go along. So you guys could have an idea what's going on here. Okay, so this is the battlefield right here. You know what I'm saying? We gotta fuck this up, and they trying to fuck this up. Okay. All right. So let's put a barbed wire here. Barbed wire. So I'm just putting up defenses for now, while they coming in closer. You know. So these medals right here, like I stated in the last one, you need them. So I got 3 medals. I could spend 1 on that. I could spend 1 on my money upgrade, and I could also have more soldiers. So they're attacking. Put out some soldiers out there to defend. So, okay, so this button right here is for defense. They will hide behind barriers and shoot. But you gotta kill people to full this up. And also this is your offense, this is your defense. And you gotta full these meters up and able to use it. Alright, so I got 1 medal. I got 2 medals. So let's upgrade the soldier. Let's get some more money. And let's... Okay. So you see when I push the button, they're defending. So let's get some more soldiers out here. Yeah, look at my homeboy with a little antenna. Alright, defend. That's a defense right there. So they're gonna call in an air support right there. Let's put one of these little miniguns right here. Help these guys out. So you see the juices, when I hold the button down, the juices is finished. So I gotta wait till it's filled up again before I could use it. So I got no control over the soldiers. See, I'd lose all my soldiers right there. So I got no control over the soldiers. I only could push defense, but you just gotta know which soldier to put out when. Alright, let's upgrade. So the more medals I get, the more I could upgrade. Okay, there I go. I could upgrade to 1 more soldier. Let's bring out some soldiers out here. Okay, let's defend. Yeah, I need more soldiers. So you see, it costs us money, man. It costs a lot of money for soldiers. $25, $50, $50. This costs $50. This costs $20. Okay, let's upgrade the money. Get some money up here so we could afford the soldiers. I guess it's like real life, man. You know what I'm saying? Soldiers cost money, man. Oh, come on, we gotta make a push. Alright, let's make a push, man. So this is my offense. If you notice. Let's put a minigun. I need to put some barriers up here. Let's put some barbed wires here. And barbed wire. Yeah, barbed wire right there. Put a minigun there. Okay, defend right here till the reinforcement come. So that's their That's their meter for their. Yeah, for their yeah, for their base. So I got the resources that I showed you. I got a soldier. So let me show you what I got. I got this soldier and some sandbags. That's what I got from so the arms dealer now. You could go to the arms dealer, and these are the points that you gain within the war. They call them war bucks. And you could spend them on stuff like, I think this is like adrenaline boost. Yeah, stim pack. Or you could buy infantry, mercenaries. You know, if you notice they cost 5 chips. You know what I'm saying? Or you could go to the upgrades where you could buy bulletproof vests and so on and so on. You could buy a lot of stuff, man. But you need these war bucks to buy them, to get the upgrades. But the arms dealer, you could buy these stuff. So I'm gonna buy stim pack and probably let me take one more soldier. Okay, so let's go and see where the hell we're gonna go. Okay, so this give us, this region right here give us, we're going up against the truck, the shotgunner, and a pistol. So and the reward is good, you know what I'm saying, because we're gonna need this guy right here. So let's go get this. And you gotta strategize as you go along, man. This thing ain't, they give us, like, it started off easy at first, but hey, you'll see what I'm doing. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Alright, so let's use some foot soldiers out here. And let's use some of those guys. And let's use some, I'm running out of barbed wires, but let's use that instead. We should be able to take it over. But they only got like pistol and shotguns anyway. Alright, let's see what's up. Okay, so you know what? Let's save some money and put these guys right there. Put one of them. So the money could, I see the money could go up in the meantime while I do that. Put one more there. Put one more there. Okay, let's expand the army. Let's give that one a boost. These guns are working. Okay. Let's bring out some guys. Defend this place, boy. Put a machine gun over there. Yeah, I gotta keep bringing out these foot soldiers, man. Alright, we gotta expand on the army. Bring that money up. Let them defend right here. Okay, they could move down now. Bring out. Gotta bring out these guys. Okay, defend until these guys get there. Alright, we gotta expand the army. Make a stand, make a stand. Okay, good. We want some offense now, but we ain't got no juice. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Wonder how much war chips we get. Okay, we got 20. Okay, so see, we got the resource. That's the heavy gunner, the sandbag, and also some tear gas. Okay, now I want to finish this whole map right here, man. I want to finish this whole map, man. It's challenging. Okay, let's go sideways right here. See what they got to offer. So we get the dogs, and we get, yeah, we need these guys right here. So let's see what we up against. Pistol and what are you firing? No, look like machine gun. All right. Put out some foot. No, let's hold up. Let's go to the arms dealer, see what's up. We got 20. All right, let's buy some gas. I don't want no more foot soldiers right now. Bring some gas. All right, I want to save one of these guys, man. All right, let's save the gunner. Because we're going to need a gunner in the long run. Definitely going to need him. All right. What should I bring? Sandbags. Bring some gas. I don't want to use that stim packet, yo. You know what? Leave the sandbags, man. Bring the barbed wire. Yeah. So I'm going to bring the tactician and the foot soldiers. I think we could hold them off. Alright, let's put some barbed wires right here. Hold them off right there on the bridge. Okay. Upgrade soldier. So when you see me do this, I'm upgrading the soldiers before they even spawn. And this upgrades the money. So you see I got more money right there. Oh look, they died. They died in my barbed wire. Look at that. Alright. So let's upgrade something else. Let's spawn some soldiers. So whenever I upgrade and I push a soldier, it spawns 2 at a time. Alright, let's bring a tactician out. 2 tacticians. Yo, let's throw a gas grenade over there. That's what I mean, tear gas. It's a good thing we barbed wire this bridge. We need some foot soldiers. Defend this. Alright, good, they defended it. Now let's upgrade the soldiers. Let's get some more money up in there. And let's add to the army. Okay, defend, bro, defend. Oh man, he went and got shot. They coming hard too. Look, they come. Oh, that don't sound right. They approaching heavy. That don't sound right. Excuse me. Yo, those airstrikes are deadly, yo. Okay, we gotta rush this bridge, man. Come on, let's go. We gotta rush the bridge. Yeah, come on, we gotta rush the bridge, bro. We need to get past this bridge. Come on, let's go, bro. Let's go. Yeah, we need to get past this bridge. Oh, defend. Defend, bro. Yeah, them airstrikes, they been rush them. Rush in. Throw some of that tear gas over there. Oh my lord. They killed off all my guys, man. These guys are putting up a fight. So I'm just doing the same. I'm just upgrading my army. Defend. Like I said, this for defense, this for offense. Spawn more soldiers. Come on, man. We need an airstrike. Okay, rush in, bro. Rush in. Rush in there. Throw some tear gas over there, bro. Need more soldiers over there. Okay, let's move, bro. Let's rush in there again. Okay. Okay, we got 30 war bucks. Yeah, we need these guys, man. These guys, you don't want to run out of these guys right here. We got the doggies. And we got the kamikaze drones. Okay, let's see. What's this? This is this one? What's this? Oh, we get some more of these soldiers, and we get soldiers with shield. Okay, I remember these soldiers with the shield. I want some more of these soldiers right here, though. This one with the grenade launcher. So we're gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for this spot right here. All right, let's check the arms dealer. Oh, we could get some rockets, man. Let's get some rockets. Get some more small soldiers. Got some more doggies. All right. So we only got, damn, we only got one of each. All right, let's bring these guys. Leave him for later. Yeah, man, we gotta leave him for later. Can't bring him yet. All right. All right, let's use the rockets here. And let's use these. Chemical warfare, man. Okay. Alright, we're gonna fire some rockets first. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Easy money. Show some tear gas. Then the rocket. More rockets. Okay, I'm out of rockets. Tear gas. Okay, they're moving in. They're moving in. Move up, bro. Move up, move up, move up, move up, move up, move up. Stay right there. Stay right here. Okay, move down. Rush them, bro. Rush them. Rush them. Rush them. Alright. Let's get some foot soldiers out here, man. They just gotta defend till the foot soldiers get there. Oh man. Operation is successful. Alright, let me see. We got 35. 35. And we got those. And we got 35 warbucks. Okay, so this thing right here. So if you put down one of these on your base, it brings in a lot of money. And that really brings in a lot of money, but it helps bring the money in for you so you could afford the soldiers. This helps out a lot. You know what I'm saying? It's oil. So when you go to these people place, you could reap their oil. You could drill for their oil. Okay, a stim pack. You know what? I don't want that, man. I'm gonna save my. I wanna get some bulletproof vests. So I'm gonna save my money. See if I could get some bulletproof. See if I could get some bulletproof vests. Alright, so let's bring this soldier. We gotta move strategic, man. Let's see, bring this guy. Kamikaze drone. I should bring a defense, yeah. I want to save the oil rig for upcoming wars. So to see this take the drones take a minute and 23 seconds. This is gonna take 31 seconds for these soldiers. So in the meantime, I gotta defend the spot until there ready. Get the money up. Oh, they're coming in with trucks. Oh, this is gonna be a rough one. We gotta defend now. Okay, drones, time to go. I need to get that truck. Defend, bro, defend. Get that drones out here. Okay, get more soldiers, get more money. Yeah, so you could buy bulletproof vests for these little soldiers right here, man. So I'm trying to save my money up to get them. Try to get them some bulletproof vests. Trying to let them wait for reinforcement. Reinforcement coming right here. Come on, reinforcement, where y'all at? Come on, guys. Oh my lord, they're coming. I need some sandbags, man. Oh my lord, that is not. Come on, man. We need people out here. Come on, man. Oh, these guys are... They're getting close. Defend this, man. Defend this place. I'm out of drones. Defend, bro. It's your life. Defend, bro. Oh, man, we ain't gonna make it. Come on, bro. We could do it. We could do it, bro. We could do it. We could do it, bro. We could do it. Oh, man, I need money. This crew is, yo, this army is tough. Oh, man. We're getting hurt up out here. We're holding them off, though. I need more foot soldiers out here. Money, bro, money. Yeah, we're gonna push them back now. Let's go. Let's go. Oh man, I got an airstrike coming in. Rush them, y'all. Rush them, y'all. Ah, man, we can't beat these guys for nothing. We push them all the way back, too. I'm out of money. We ain't out yet, bro. Oh man, these airstrikes are killing us. Defend with your life. Game over. Yeah. Finish him. Okay, but see what I'm talking about? Game is over, man. But you know what? I'm gonna give it a next try. See if I could. So I think I brought the wrong soldiers, man. Jeez, rebels. Alright, I use this one this time. J Rebels. I'm a rebel. I'm a rebel. Alright. Let's see what I'm gonna do now. This is who I should have brought on that mission, man. This guy right here. That's where I fucked up at. Alright, let's see if we can run over here real quick. Man, it's hard to finish this whole damn map, man. And after you finish this map, there's a next map. Alright. What's this? Alright, let's go for these guys first. Being that they don't have no vehicles, man. Okay, now I have the heavy artillery. Okay, put that there. Let me get this there. I ain't playing with you guys. Come on over here. Upgrade. Upgrade. I need more medals, man. Come on. Okay. Medal of Honor. Alright, there we go. I'm not even gonna spawn my army yet, man. I'm just softening up this army before I spawn my army. At the same time, I'm upgrading my army. See, watching my money go up. Cost me less this fighting them this way. That means when I'm ready to put my army out there, it's gonna be rough. Because I'm saving a lot of money right now. And this is my gun cooldown. So if I overheat, it stops working. Okay, upgrade is there. Money upgrade. Almost made it, dude. Oh, they got that. They're attacking in full force. Okay. Let me see y'all pass this this gun right here. There's a lot of them too. Oh man, they passed. It's on now. Okay, we got some people out here now. Okay, let's play some defense and offense now. Offense, man. Yeah, we're going. They're calling an airstrike on us. Alright. Oh, man. They call it airstrike. Oh, yeah, so that's one part I forgot to tell. I forgot to explain. If you take too long, if you take too long to accomplish a mission, they would definitely will send in an airstrike. Okay, so let's go get over here because we need this gunner right here. I'm gonna bring this gun again. This gun kind of make the job kind of easier. I don't need that if I got a gun. I got 42 seconds, huh? 32 seconds. So let's use the gun in the meantime, get rid of these fools. Because I still got 27 seconds until those guys spawn. That turret ain't, this truck ain't no joke. Man, this gun saved me a lot of money, you just don't know. Okay, I gotta get guys out there now. We gotta start going for their base. Gotta send in an airstrike, bro. Oh, there it is. Enemy wave approaching. So if we could hold them off right here, man. Okay, I need more soldiers. Okay, go on, guys. Y'all could do it. Defend. Okay, rush them, y'all. Rush them. I got a sniper. Kamikaze. Okay, let's go for this. Arms dealer, what you got? What you got for me, arms dealer? Some more rockets? I'll take them. Let me see. Okay, I don't need no more soldiers right now. Let me see where I'm going. What they got? They got this and that. Yeah, let's go for this. I'm gonna bring the big boy. And saving my rockets. Making sure I don't use them up too early. Alright, let me see now. Got 1 minute, 23 seconds till this guy spawns. Need some soldiers out there. Defend it, bro. Defend. Y'all gotta defend. We just need 30 seconds, man. 36 seconds to hold them off. Defend, bro, defend. Don't let them rush up. Alright, here comes reinforcement, bro. Right here. 2 of them. Here come the big guns. I'll let them defend right here. I could bring down one more gunner. I think it's over anyway. Okay. So if we can't buy that damn bulletproof vest, man, how much it cost? 60? I only got 40. Damn. Alright, we're gonna need some help now. Alright, let's go for this one, man. That's the one I'm going for. Nah. Damn. Bring a sniper out here. A soldier too. Damn, hear that sniper? That sniper. That sniper ain't playing. That sniper ain't playing. Come on, man. Protect the sniper, bro. Protect the sniper. Sniper is doing good work. Come on, man. Protect him. Let's get the next sniper out here. Oh. We need somebody to back the sniper up now. One more sniper coming up. Yo, these snipers are holding. These snipers ain't no joke. Upgrade, bro. One more sniper. One more that. Upgrade. Upgrade the money. Come on, foot soldiers, man. We need more foot soldiers. More snipers. Haha. Them snipers ain't no joke. I got one more sniper right there too. Alright. Oh, I got 55. Damn. We'll have to buy one of these army. These infantry. Let me see who we're gonna battle, man. These dudes. Alright, you know what? Let's go against these guys, man. I'm gonna bring the sniper. I'm gonna leave the sniper this time. So this is the oil keg. We could make money off that. I think we should bring the kamikaze. And then bring that. Alright, man. Where's the kamikaze? It ain't ready yet? No. Alright, we gotta bring out some soldiers. Bring on some more soldiers, man. Okay, let's send the drones in. for reinforcement right there, bro. Man, what a war. I don't want to like run out of drones too early. Yo, man, I can't. These guys are rough and tough. It's a good thing I could afford this war. Man, we gotta move, bro. We gotta attack these guys, man. Can't let them be doing all the attacking. Rush them, bro. Rush them. Hell yeah. They put up a fight though. Okay, so we got this one and this one. Yeah, man, so this is where we're gonna leave the video for this one. When I get back, when we get back to the next episode, we're gonna finish these. So if I could complete this whole map, man, it would be an achievement. Word up. Shit ain't easy. But anyway, Thanks for watching. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you're first time viewer. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Thanks for watching. God bless. One.